UI, User Interface Design. If you like designing more than programming, then this is the one for you. The user interface is the graphical layout of an application. It consists of buttons, text, images, sliders, text entry fields, and all the rest of the items the user interacts with. This includes transitions, interface animations, and every single micro-interaction. Any sort of visual element, interaction, or animation must all be designed. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a standard programming language specifically designed for storing, retrieving, managing, or manipulating the data inside a relational database management system. SQL is the main language that allows your database servers to store and edit the data on it. Hurry! Register now. Class is to begin on 13th July.